guys, welcome back to Enchanted Life, and I've got something really cool that we're going to get into today. What I went ahead and got, and I did not spend $75 on this, so don't freak out, and I don't want you guys to spend $75 on this either. But I went and got the Sephora Favorites Treat Yourself Kit at Sephora, and I thought we would go through this and see what we thought of all this stuff. Is it worth $75? I don't know. I thought it looked kind of like a cool kit, and I thought because Christmas is almost over that these things, they don't sell too great, to be honest. I see a lot of them left in stores, and so you guys might be able to score an amazing deal on this after Christmas and all the after Christmas sales. So let's go ahead, open it up, see if it's even worth the money that they're going to have it for after Christmas. Like I said, up here it says $75, and in Canada $90, with a $157 value. So is that true? Let's go ahead and see. So we're gonna open it up, and the first thing that I find in here, oh my gosh, it's Dr. Dennis Gross. And believe it or not, I know this, it's got to be gross, okay, because it's G-R-O-S-S, so I know that I'm not pronouncing that wrong. I can't be pronouncing that wrong. But this is Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel, a patented two-step peel with 7 acids to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. And I say yes, 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 yes. And that says 3 treatments in there. Now, his stuff is very expensive and on the pricey side, but I have heard wonderful, wonderful reviews of it and read wonderful reviews of his stuff. So that's amazing. And who doesn't want to get rid of, you know, fine lines and pores and everything else? Now, the next thing in here, if I can get it out, maybe, oh my gosh. Okay. I like broke everything. I'm not even gonna try. But hair care, texturizing hairspray. So that looks kind of cool. Let's see if it smells good. Oh my gosh, it actually does. That's one of the things that I hate about hairspray. Some of them just smell terrible, and you can't stand the smell. You know, I mean, some of these companies, they might make really good products that do really good job for your hair, but I don't want to walk around smelling like oil or whatever all day. So this actually smells really good. So this could probably be a win too. And there is a lot of like hair stuff, it looks like, in this packet. Happy holidays. Love Sephora. I don't know about Love Sephora because I did spend my own money on this kit. So yeah. Okay, now we've got Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. Now this is perfect because if you have like a little bottle like this, you can always throw it in your like purse bag. Whoa, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to buy some of this. If this works as dry shampoo, this smells amazing. This smells like perfume. This stuff is so good. Well, so we've got like 2.5 potential wins here. Actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat, and odor. This is amazing. This stuff smells so good, guys. So I'm probably going to end up having to get some of that too. Luna Retinol Sleeping Night Oil. Next generation refined oil reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. So you get like this little bottle. I can't even read what, like, how much it is. This tiny little bottle of this. But if this works, then the videos I record next week, this in between Dr. Gross, I'm not going to have any like wrinkles or anything else going on. No pores, no wrinkles, I want it all gone. So, looks like a good kit for that. We're doing good. Okay, let's get into something fun. Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. Can you see that? But it is by Hourglass. Hourglass, and we love Hourglass. Hourglass has some really good products. Ooh, I like that sound. Can you hear that sound? Anyway, so it looks good. Has a nice little brush. Looks like a good formula. I'm not gonna try it on though right now. I'm not wearing like lashes right now. I just have my regular mascara on. But Actually, give me a second. Let me show you. I'll show you my favorite kind of like mascara that I'm addicted to right now. I know that was Hourglass, and that's great and all, but I am, this bottle's like getting dirty. I am addicted to this MAC right now, this mascara. It works amazing and looks great whether you're wearing lashes or not. It's called In Extreme Dimension Lash Waterproof. And this stuff, okay, I will tell you a little side note on this stuff. MAC does make mascara that you cannot take off unless you use their specific products. This is not that mascara. However, when you put this on, this stuff does not come off. I have tried water, I have tried soap, I have tried everything. When it says it's waterproof, this is water and like soap proof for the most part. The only thing that works to take this off that I found is if you use the purple Clinique bottle. It's called Take the Day Off. That stuff will actually take this off, but other than that, this stuff stays on, and that's why I love it so much. So makes the lashes look good, stays on forever no matter what. So I'm kind of like stuck on this mascara, but we'll give this Hourglass stuff a try too. Okay, what else do we got here? So we have a lipstick, Charlotte Tilbury. Now, what do you guys think of Charlotte Tilbury? I know some of her stuff is like kind of hit or miss. This is a pretty color though. Can you guys see that color? It's very pretty. Oh, excuse my nails. I was doing Christmas stuff on them and trying some cool stuff out. But let's go ahead and we'll swatch it right here. Okay, a lot. Swatch it. So it is very pretty. It's in a color I think I would definitely use. Most Charlotte Tilbury stuff I do like some of her powders and stuff, but you know, that's kind of like a hit or miss brand. And for the price point, I'm not really into buying a lot of Charlotte Tilbury. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think and what's really best for Charlotte Tilbury. And maybe I'll get some more of it and we can test some of it out. Okay, now we've got It Brow Power, and we've got this little pencil right here. So hope you guys can see that. And let's see. You can see it. Hold up right there. So we're gonna swatch this. This is kind of a, what shade does it say? I was gonna say it's more like a taupe. Oh, dang, universal taupe. So I mean, it's a nice color. Taupe works for a lot of people, so that's good. And then it also has a little smiley on the end, so you know, good for overall color, I guess. Okay, so I do like it as far as brow stuff, but I'm still addicted to the Benefit Cosmetics for and their Benefit brow bars and all that for good eyebrow makeup. I think they do great. ABH does amazing with their stuff, so I'm not really into it as far as their stuff goes, but we'll try it out and we'll see how that goes. And then, that did not sound good. Okay, this is glass and I'm gonna break it. Okay, what is this? Nest Fragrances Holiday Scented Candle. Ooh. Bougie perfume. Oh my gosh. Well then, we've got to try it. So it's this, okay, it's really strong. It smells very holiday-ish. It's just like a little black candle. I don't know what it smells like. Like pine trees, I guess, a lot. This is, it just says holiday. So burn within sight. Probably a good suggestion. It's very, very strong holiday. It smells very, like I said, like pine tree. So this is kind of a cool candle. Then we've got Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. Youth to the People. Face wash. So I guess this is a face wash. It doesn't say anything else about it, which is kind of disappointing. Okay, I haven't heard of that brand yet. If you guys have, let me know what y'all think about that. So let's see. Now we've got Peach Perfect And this is by Too Faced. And it is Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. Let's see. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, this smells really good. It smells very fresh. Very fresh. But it does have the little thing on there. Let's go ahead, pull that off. Ah, and get it everywhere on me. Ooh, and it feels really soft too. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, that's really soft. That's a really good powder. I'm gonna have to try that out and see if you guys have tried this too. Let me know what you think about it. Then we got Sol de Janeiro. Yeah, Sol de Janeiro Fast Absorbing Body Cream. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream infused with all-powerful guarana extract. So this is the bottle right here. Not a heavy smell, it's very light. Doesn't smell really like anything. And there's what it, I've got powder on my fingers from other stuff, but there's what it looks like. It's not very, very thick. And you know, I know a lot of people, they don't like the thick lotions. I prefer like the heavy body creams. You can see like this is not thick at all. It is really light. So it would be a good thing though to, you know, throw in your handbag, keep with you at all times kind of thing. Just a little bit of the soft lotion, not having the heavy lotion with you. I usually keep a lighter lotion with me so you don't have that huge thing of grease. This isn't greasy at all though, which is nice. It's already absorbed into my skin. So it's a great one for like on the go. Now this is really intriguing to me. We've got a Beauty Blender Power Pocket Puff. I've never seen these before. I haven't seen them at Ulta. I haven't seen them at Sephora. But let's go ahead and see. Oh, it feels good. Ooh, it's one of those things you could just like sit and pet. This is really soft. So it's kind of strange. I mean, you've got this where you can put your finger through and do your light puffing and blend in for your eyes. But then it also has an opening here too, where you can, you know, put your fingers in there and blend stuff out. I'm sure my makeup needs blended out right now. But it feels so good. It's behind this like little poof. Like the poof is nice and feels really good. But it's got like one of those little jelly things inside of it. It's got like jelly stuff inside of it. So if you can imagine, and then it's got like a little like fake satin kind of back on it. So it feels like if you took, oh, what are those? The little silicone blenders, you know, that no one likes and no one uses anymore, but the little silicone blenders, and you covered it with just soft fabric. Feels like that. It's really nice and squishy. I don't know that I'd use it so much. I'm not really into using poofs, but this might be good for like setting your Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. And then the last thing here we got by a company named Hum, Beauty Starts From Within, Deluxe 3-Day Sample. Hair Sweet Hair for stronger, healthier hair. Gummies with benefits, biotin, folic acid, FOT, B12, zinc, and PAVA. And so I guess you get 6 vegan berry gummies. And so this is the packet of gummies, which my hair would probably love that because I dye it like crazy all the time. I like all kinds of weird colors. So I might try these and see, but looks like a good company and it's vegan. So yeah. So that is everything that we got in this Sephora box, and looks like a lot of fun stuff. If everything worked, gonna have amazing lips and mascara and brows and no wrinkles and pore perfecting and awesome dry shampoo and a good setting powder. So I don't know, let's just see what the sales say. This might be a if they, you know, I don't know that I'd spend $75 on this. It definitely, I think, has that value that they were talking about, the $157, because it has the Charlotte Tilbury, the Dr. Gross, and the Hourglass in it, as well as the Beauty Blender. So I can see where they're saying the value, but, and there are a few full-size products, which are nice. But yeah, that's up to you really, and see what the sale says, how much you're going to get it for. I think I got this on Black Friday, so it was super on sale on Black Friday. But I suspect December 26th it'll be quite on sale too. So now, you know, and you can see if you need to rush out to Sephora to pick one of these babies up. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, thanks for joining me on my channel. I'm going to be posting a ton of videos over here. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe, like the video. Please share this video. Get the word out that I am here. I'm not going anywhere. Hope y'all are doing good, and I hope you have a wonderful and Merry Christmas. Talk to you soon. Bye.